Hello, and welcome to this brief presentation of Quaestor Solutions. Quaestor Solutions is a company that is specialized in masternodes, masternode setups, cryptocurrency, and crypto exchange. There's two major things that are changing the world as we speak: blockchain and cryptocurrency. To understand how all of this is working, we need to understand the biggest thing of our time, which is the blockchain. And to explain that very simple, you can say it this way. The blockchain is a place where you can store information in a file called a block, like one of these. That block is verified by all the other files or blocks, and all the files are put in one long line, like a chain. That's actually why it's called the blockchain. A very simple explanation of a very huge thing. Because what is stored there is now verified by all the other blocks. So now it becomes a fact and it becomes truth. So you cannot change it and you cannot alter it. That is the biggest thing about the blockchain. And you can verify all kind of information and nobody can cheat with it. Now on the blockchain, you can also run a cryptocurrency. And with the blockchain, you can send a coin from A to B, or from B to somewhere else. But there has to be something in the middle that verifies the transaction. And that is done by either a miner or a masternode. So when you send a coin, if you have something called a masternode, or you own a mining machine, you are actually helping verifying those transactions. Now, masternode is the new form of mining. So what is a masternode? Well, a masternode is actually your own wallet on your own computer that is then connected to the blockchain. Then it becomes a masternode. That means it's your private mining machine, so to speak. But you do not use or need all the mining equipment. It's just a wallet on your computer connected to the blockchain. And yeah, that sounds really simple, but the coding of a masternode, that is very difficult. That's why Quaestor has developed a system called the Clickit. That's a system that will set up the masternode for you. It will host it, maintain it for as long as you are running that masternode. And because that you now own that masternode, every single time there's a transaction going on, you are actually getting paid. Not by a company, not by a third party, but by the blockchain. Directly into your own wallet on your own computer. It doesn't get any safer than this. Now, we started looking into those masternodes seriously when there was about in the low area of 200 masternode coins on the market. Today, there's more than 600 masternode coins. That should actually tell you that people are moving from the old-fashioned mining into the new-fashioned mining, masternodes. A lot of those masternode coins, they have a lot of coins that are distributed, and they are mined out fast. And I'm talking huge amounts of coins every single day. So we wanted to do something different. So we created a masternode coin where the company actually owns all the miners. So we are paying out 100% to the masternodes. Now we will only mine out 20 million coins, and it will take the blockchain 10.5 years to mine them out. We pre-mined 3%, which is 600,000 coins, set up in 300 masternodes, as it requires 2,000 coins to run a full masternode. And all of the 600 coins, they are locked for all 10.5 years. That means they can't be taken down, they can't be sold. So how did we then code our masternode coin? Very simple and very efficient. The rest of the coin, which is 19.4 million, they will be mined out over a 10.5 year period. That means the blockchain is paying out exactly 5,040 Quaestor coins per day, because we divided it equally into the 10 years. So it's a flat rate. 720 blocks per day of 2 minutes and 7 coins per block. Now, we started the blockchain on January the 16th, 2019. All masternodes are sharing these 5,040 coins per day. That means that when there were 500 masternodes, a full masternode will receive about 300 coins per month. When there were 700 masternodes, they would receive 219 coins per month. Today, September 1st, there are 840 masternodes. That means you will be getting 180 coins per month, or in another way, 9%. Now that's pretty good. So the more masternodes that are set up, the less coins every masternode is getting, which will push the demand for the coin. Also, 90% of all the coins that are being mined out are actually set up in new masternodes. Now, how can that be when you require 2,000 coins to own a masternode? That's because we created something very special that no one of the other 600 masternode coins have. We created the Click-It in another version called the Shared Click-It. That means if you buy 20 coins on the exchange, you can set up 1% of a masternode. So you can set up 20 coins, 60 coins, 200, whatever you want, 20 coins at a time. And those coins are sent into a server that will accumulate the coins. And when there are 2,000 coins, it will set up a full masternode. And you have your share of that. That masternode is for now locked for 6 months, but you can sell the reward if you want, of course. So now you do not need to buy the full 2,000 coins to earn passive income on a masternode. You can own 1%, 2, 5, 10, 38%, as long as it's 20 coins at a time, and you still get paid every single day. Now that is pretty brilliant, right? So you can get in on these shared masternode today. You can earn these 9% in coins, plus the appreciation of the coin. Now this is actually the true power of a masternode, and you control it. Now another very important thing. We know that it's important to have a usability on a cryptocurrency. Otherwise, it's just a speculative coin, right? So even though we are guaranteed by the blockchain to have 10 years to do this, we already started building the ecosystem. This way, we are also building up the Quaestor brand in a lot of other areas than just masternodes. So far, we have launched QPro Boxing with a growing stable of professional championship boxers. Several world champions are already in our stable and fast growing. And it's actually attracting a lot of boxers. Why? Because of our unique way of ensuring them also after their career. We take care of our people. Something that has been lacking in this boxing industry for a very long time. In connection with QPro Boxing, we also have QPro TV, or you can say it in another way, our own pay-per-view system. That means every time we have a fight night, we can stream that out to the world at a very low cost. Actually, 14 euro, you can see the whole fight night. Or you can save even more by buying a yearly access. Now, a completely different market than this is the hemp oil. This is actually the world's hottest product, CBD oil, the best quality at very competitive prices. Try them, be amazed at them. Or you can actually find out more. Just go into the best friend we have, who's called Google, put in what's the benefits of CBD oil, and you will realize that actually every people need this product to stay healthy. It's a huge product. We also have a trading bot. I will not come into that now, but this is done so that you can actually make money in an upgoing market or in a downtrend market. The biggest of all that we are doing right now is our Quaestor exchange. This will be a European licensed exchange. That means the authorities will actually have access to all of our coding. They will analyze it, and they will give us the stamp of approval that we have a safe and secure exchange to trade on. Now that is very needed, right? There's 4 big ways that sets this exchange apart from all the others. We actually offer a payback of up to 60% of the fees to all the customers, and a way you can also tap into the exchange profits. We will be listing the Quaestor coin only on the Quaestor exchange when this is launched, and we will only list it, now listen, towards the dollar value, not towards the Bitcoin value, as all other cryptocurrencies are doing. What do you think will happen when we list it to the dollar value? It will be much more stable. The third thing is we will implement the click-it system, or rather the shared click-it system, directly into the exchange. That means you can now own 1, 3, 5, 38% of all the Masternode coins that are listed on our exchange. So if Dash is listed on the Quaestor exchange, you can now own 1 or 3 or 5% of a Dash Masternode. The shared click-it will be built into the system. So every single Masternode coin have a possibility to list themselves on our exchange and get that service. That's the only place they can do that. The fourth thing about the exchange is, if you pay your fees, not with Bitcoin, but with Quaestor coin, you save 50% of your fees. Now that is actually big. Half the fee you can save if you pay the fees with Quaestor coin. We think that will have a huge impact on the demand for the Quaestor coin. What do you think? The exchange will go into beta launch in November, full launch in December, and the click-it system and everything else will be fully implemented on the 1st of February. From that moment on, you will be able to set up a Masternode and take it down whenever it suits you. Then it's not locked anymore. So when we are on the exchange, you can actually set it up and you can take it down 2 hours later if you want to. That means you are in full control of everything. Your coins, your wallet, your Masternode, all of it. Now let me show you our website. This is our website. On that, you can of course check our mission. You can go down in the bottom, you can see who our partners are. You can see the members that are working with Quaestors, and you can see the roadmap. Then you are also able to see that we actually delivered every single thing on time, except the trading bot. And that was because the law on trading bots were changed. So we had to recode the whole bot. But that also means we build in some new amazing features. Now on the top of the page, you can check the white paper. You can download the wallets. We have the window wallets, we have the wallet for Mac, and we have the web wallet. Now, if you want to set up a Masternode or a shared Masternode, you need to register as a customer. So if you click on register, you choose the package that you want. Let's say you want to test it out. You want to have 5 shares. That's for 100 coins. That will cost you €7.50. You submit. The sponsor is 1, 6 zeros, and a 7. And the sponsor name is Quaestor. Then you put in your desired name, your email, and your password, and then you click register. And then you pay the setup. Now, how you set up the Masternode, I will show you that in a video by itself. Thank you for listening.